Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will explore one of the most amazing tropical fruits, jackfruit. Have you ever seen a giant jackfruit? With its large size, sweet taste, and unique aroma, jackfruit is not only a popular dish in Thailand, but also an important export product. But where does the jackfruit journey begin? Let's explore together. Jackfruit's journey starts from small seeds or young grafted trees. But did you know, to ensure the best development of jackfruit, people often apply the grafting method. This method helps plants grow quickly, retaining the best characteristics from the parent plant. After a period of careful care, when the jackfruit trees reach a height of about 30 to 40 centimeters, they will be transferred to the field, where they will start a new life on large plots of land. To grow jackfruit, farmers must prepare the land before planting. Jackfruit grows best in sandy soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Tropical climate with warm temperatures and abundant rainfall are also ideal conditions for jackfruit trees to thrive. Therefore, Thailand becomes one of the most ideal places to grow jackfruit. Trees are planted 8 to 12 meters apart, ensuring they do not compete for light and nutrients. In the early stages, tree care is very important. Therefore, farmers must water adequately, especially during the dry season. What about pruning? This is not just for beauty, but also to help the tree withstand the weight of giant jackfruit later. Have you ever seen a jackfruit tree fall because the fruit is too heavy? That's why pruning is indispensable. Jackfruit is a delicious fruit, but that also means it's very attractive to many pests. Did you know fruit flies, insects, and beetles are the main enemies of jackfruit trees? But don't worry, Thai farmers have their own secrets to protect fruit trees. They use organic pesticides and natural predators to control pests safely and effectively. In addition, they also pay great attention to maintaining hygiene in the garden to prevent diseases from arising. Thanks to these measures, jackfruit trees can grow strongly and produce high-quality jackfruit. After 3 to 4 years of careful care, now is the time for jackfruit trees to begin to repay the farmer's efforts. This is the stage that everyone looks forward to the most: harvest. But you know, harvesting jackfruit is not simply a matter of cutting it and bringing it home. This is truly an art. Farmers must accurately determine the ripening time of jackfruit. They observed the color of the peel from green to golden brown and listened for the hollow sound when the fruit was tapped. And with a sharp knife, they carefully cut the jackfruit from the tree without damaging either the tree or the fruit. Harvest time lasts from March to June. This is the time when farmers are most busy. Each jackfruit here weighs from 5 to 30 kilos. Imagine the big, round, heavy jackfruits are harvested with all the love and effort of the farmers. Witnessing their hard-working hands and tanned skin, I truly felt their perseverance and enthusiasm. Those are the moments that I feel more precious than ever, because I understand that it takes a lot of sweat and effort to get delicious jackfruit on the dining table. After being carefully harvested, the jackfruit will be transported to processing facilities. Here, jackfruit will be cleaned, classified, and only the highest quality jackfruit will be selected to be processed into dried jackfruit. This process not only keeps the fruit fresh but also enhances its natural flavor. Let's explore this process together. First, workers will carefully peel and separate the yellow flesh inside. Here, the jackfruit meat is inspected to ensure quality before being dried. This jackfruit meat will be sliced evenly and put into the oven to dry. In Thailand, processing facilities often use drying ovens to ensure stable temperature and airflow. This is the most effective way to reduce the moisture of jackfruit to the necessary level, keeping the natural sweetness without losing any nutrients. I'm sure you won't be able to resist the seductive scent of these dried jackfruit pieces. In addition to the production of dried jackfruit, Thailand is also famous for the art of cutting jackfruit on the street. This is a unique experience that you cannot miss when coming here. Street vendors with quick and precise jackfruit cutting skills are truly artists. They cut through large, sharp jackfruits in just a few seconds to reveal sweet, golden pieces of jackfruit inside. This was not only an interesting performance, but also showed their ingenuity and professionalism. Thailand is one of the world's largest jackfruit producers, with output not only serving the domestic market, but also exporting to other countries, especially the United States, China, and Southeast Asia. According to statistics, in 2023, Thailand exported more than 100,000 tons of jackfruit around the world. Are you impressed with this number? So together we have explored the magical journey from the jackfruit tree to the final product. I hope you had interesting moments and learned many useful things. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or comments. And remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos about agriculture. See you again in the next journeys.